Hi, this is Rod from Garden Crossings, and today we have the Twist and Plant Auger from Proven Winners. And I have my Milwaukee cordless drill here. And all you do is just like a drill bit. Same drill I use to build my greenhouses with. Just set it up like a drill bit. Now you're all set to go out and plant your 4.5-inch annuals. I found out that it works very well on quart pots as well. So again, this is Rod from Garden Crossings with the Twist and Plant Auger from Proven Winners.
All right, so Rod is going to give the Twist and Plant Auger a try here out under a huge maple tree. So there's a lot of roots in this area. And what he's going to do first off is he's got a little garden shovel. We love these garden shovels. So they're high quality. It's called a soil scoop. They do a great job in this area. But we just want to kind of compare for you what it would be like using the soil scoop compared to the Twist and Plant Auger. So first of all, he's going to try digging in there with that soil scoop, and let's see what happens. So he's really digging in there, definitely coming across roots. It's getting the job done, but it's taking a little bit of time. Got to go a little deeper yet. You can hear him busting through some roots. There you go. Now it's pretty good and ready to be planted. So now we're going to use the Twist and Plant Auger and just see what the difference is between that and digging with his hands. Let me get over here so you see better. All right, go ahead. One thing, watch your wrists. Because if he does hit a root, it will yank his wrist. You can see it giving him a little bit of kick. Much easier, I think, than using the soil scoop. What do you think, Rod? Easier using the auger?
Much easier using the auger.
All right, so there you have it. If you've got a place under a tree that's a little rooty, consider the Twist and Plant Auger. It'll get the job done.